You say I don't understand, and I say I know you don't. We thought a cure would come through in time, now I fear it won't. Remember looking at this room with love because of the light. Now I just sit in the dark and wonder if it's time. Do I throw out everything we build or keep it? I'm getting tired of even for a finish, always rising from the ashes, maddening all her gashes. You might just have doubt the final blow. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. I can't fight a pause, my heart won't stop anymore. For you, 'cause you're losing me. Every morning I glare at you with stones in my eyes. How can you say that you love someone you can't tell is lying? I send you signals and beat my nails down to the quick. My face was gray, but you didn't admit that we were sick. And the air is thick with loss and indecision. I know my pain is such an imposition. Now you're running down the hallway, and you know what they all say. You don't know what you got until it's gone. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. Stop, you're losing me. I can't fight a pause, my heart won't stop anymore. For you, 'cause you're losing me. My heart won't start anymore. My heart won't start anymore. How long could be a sad song till we were too far gone to bring back to life? I gave you all my best needs, my endless empathy, and all I did was bleed as I tried to be the bravest soldier, fighting in only your army. Friendless, don't even ignore me. I'm the best thing at this party. You're losing me, and I wouldn't marry me either. A pathological people pleaser who only wanted you to see her. And I'm fading, thinking, do something, babe, say something. Lose something, babe, risk something. Choose something, babe, I got nothing to believe unless you're choosing me. You're losing me. Stop. You're losing me. Stop. You're losing me. I can't find a pause, my heart won't start anymore.